All right, guys. So again, this is ISO 4. So in this ISO, what they're telling us is, again, to complete this isometric in a 30, to use the 30-degree rule. What they're saying is all the long lines is 8, and all the medium-sized line is 4, and all the smallest line is 2. So I'm going to look at this drawing right now. So these are all the 2 lines, and this is 4. So this has to be 4, and this has to be 8. So right now, I'm just looking at the drawing. Now, I'm just going to do it again. Again, I'm going to multiply everything by 100. So we're not going to have to. So I'm going to take this one off right now, and I'm going to start the drawing. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to analyze this. My endpoint is off, my tracking is on, my polar tracking is on, and my polar tracking is on 30. So I'm just going to come right here. Okay, zoom out a little bit. So I'm going to sort out right now. I know that this line right here going straight up is 200. Okay, and you can see that I zoom out too much. Okay, so if you have a mouse, then you could just type in the size that it says. But if you don't, so right here, I'm just gonna go 400 right here. I'm gonna go straight up right now, and I'm gonna type in 200, and I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna type in 400. I'm gonna go straight down right here. I'm gonna type in 400. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna type in 800. So basically, right now, this is the math. 2 plus 2 give us 4. That's what we got, 400. And 400 plus 400 give us 800. So basically right now, so this is the shape. So all I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to come right here at 150. I'm going to type in 800. Okay. Now I'm just going to do all my 800 first. I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to do the same thing again. And I'm going to type in 800. I'm going to do that 2 more times. Okay. Now there is a way where I could copy it, but for right now, I'm not going to show you guys again how to do that yet. But so right now, okay, so I'm going to type in 800. Now, I could just come here and just type in those lines, type in 200, right? Or I could just take my mouse, I could just click it on the green dot right here, click it on the green dot right here, and then click it right here, okay? So I know that this is the drawing right here. So this is our ISO 4. So this is the technique on how to complete this drawing. Okay, could I have done it a different way? Yes. Is this the easiest way? Yes. So again, this is how to do ISO 4. And again, I zoomed in. So if you have a mouse, this might be a little helpful. If you want to do it to the size, you can. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. Once again, have a nice day.